Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me CUBOT P50, and now I'm going to show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items on the device. As you can see, there is something in my charging port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. Cool. Firstly, take the cover off if you have, and take the brush in your hand. Yes, brush, because old toothbrush is the best tool to clean your USB charging port. So I recommend you to use old toothbrush which you no longer use. Then just insert the one part of the brush into the connector and just try to pry the dirt out. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.